From West Asia to South America, from Europe to East Asia, CBFI is infusing the world with efficient and green refrigeration power made in China. Efficient production of an 800-ton ice brick factory under 50 degrees centigrade scorching sun. CBFI's efficient refrigeration and water-saving technologies safeguard ice production in the desert. Convenient containerized ice supply stations along the Belt and Road, providing cold power support for large-scale infrastructure projects. Tropical high temperatures have spurred demand for quick freezing of seafood. The efficient quick freezing system doubles the efficiency of seafood processing. CBFI ice makers can still operate at full capacity in high temperature and high humidity environments. Stable production capacity meets people's demand for ice. A 150-ton ice factory on a tropical island is efficiently producing ice, providing a large supply of ice to the fishing port. We are committed to helping customers provide complete quick freezing solutions for food processing. Let every catch go global with the freshest appearance. South Korea with strict food requirements. CBFI's delivery of high-standard automated tube ice factories has been well received by customers. Our double helix quick freezing chocolate system built for a world-renowned snack brand, becoming a benchmark case in the high-end food industry. Russia's veteran meat processing plant has been revitalized with CBFI's quick freezing equipment. The production efficiency of dumplings has doubled with modern technology. In the Americas, our brine quick freezing technology locks in the freshness of the shrimp industry. With over 2 decades of technological accumulation and innovation, CBFI's business has covered more than 170 countries worldwide. Every step of us is a commitment to customers' benefit from Icesource. We stand shoulder to shoulder with our global partners, ensuring that every trust is reciprocated.